Alright, so this is day one of ASA 101 through 104 aboard the sailing vessel Gallant. And just a quick stint in the V-berth. This is the salon here, and then head towards the companionway, navigation, it's the galley, and finally the aft berth. The cockpit's up there. So let's go up top real quick. Beautiful day here in Rock Hall. And as you can see, weather is nice here at the marina. So anyways, I'll report back with the rest of the teaching of the day as we continue on for the ASA lessons, sailing on the water. Hopefully the winds pick up, and I'll catch back with you later.